Okay, here's a brand new Luxaire central air conditioning unit. Currently not running. This unit replaced a 2000 Arcoaire unit that got starting up last summer. This unit is 1.5 ton from 2024. And this unit appears to have a rotary compressor, which I find interesting. Not sure what brand of rotary it is. But yeah. And I'm not sure if this has been on or not. Not sure. Probably say it hasn't been, but could be wrong. And this unit does unfortunately have Microchannel. But yeah, this unit is located at a commercial complex in my town that I've filmed at lots of times. But yeah, nice little unit, I guess. But yeah, that was the last smaller, older Arcoaire here. All the older, smaller Arcoaires no longer remain, unfortunately, here at this complex. But yeah, just like a quick video of this new unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.